بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف لام ميم تلك آيات الكتاب الحكيم هدى ورحمة للمحسنين الذين يقيمون الصلاة ويؤتون الزكاة وهم بالآخرة هم يوقنون أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Alif, Lam, Mim. These are verses of the wise book, the Quran, a guide and a mercy for the good doers, those who perform prayer and give charity, and that have faith in the hereafter with certainty. Such are on guidance from their Lord, and such are the successful.
وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يَشْتَرِي لَهْوَ الْحَدِيثِ لِيُضِلَّ عَن سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ بِغَيْرِ عِلْمٍ وَيَتَّخِذَهَا هُزُوًا أُولَئِكَ لَهُمْ عَذَابٌ مُهِينٌ. وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِ آيَاتُنَا وَلَّى مُسْتَكْبِرًا كَأَن لَّمْ يَسْمَعْهَا كَأَنَّ فِي أُذُنَيْهِ وَقْرًا فَبَشِّرْهُ بِعَذَابٍ أَلِيمٍ.
And of mankind is he who talks idly to mislead men from the path of Allah without knowledge, and takes the path of Allah as a mockery. For such there will be a humiliating torment in the hellfire. And when our verses of the Quran are recited to such a one, he turns away in pride, as if he did not hear them, as if there were deafness in his ears. So announce to him a painful torment.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم جنات النعيم خالدين فيها وعد الله حقا وهو العزيز الحكيم خلق السماوات بغير عمد ترونها وألقى في الأرض رواسي أن تميد بكم وبث فيها من كل دابة وأنزلنا من السماء ماء فأنبتنا فيها من كل زوج كريم.
Indeed, those who believe in the oneness of Allah and do righteous good deeds, for them are gardens of delight in paradise to abide in. It is a promise of Allah in truth, and He is the Almighty, the All-Wise. He has created the heavens without any pillars that you can see, and has set on the earth firm mountains, lest it should shake with you. And He has scattered in the earth living creatures of all kinds. And we send down rain from the sky, and we cause plants of every goodly kind to grow there.
هذا خلق الله فأروني ماذا خلق الذين من دونه بل الظالمون في ضلال مبين.
This is the creation of Allah. So show me that which those whom you worship besides Him have created. No, the polytheists, wrongdoers, and those who do not believe in the oneness of Allah are in plain error.
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا لُقْمَانَ الْحِكْمَةَ أَنِ اشْكُرْ لِلَّهِ وَمَنْ يَشْكُرْ فَإِنَّمَا يَشْكُرُ لِنَفْسِهِ وَمَنْ كَفَرَ فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ غَنِيٌّ حَمِيدٌ.
And indeed, we bestowed upon Luqman wisdom, saying, Give thanks to Allah, and whoever gives thanks, he gives thanks for the good of himself. And whoever is unthankful, then indeed Allah is rich, free of all wants, worthy of all praise.
وَإِذْ قَالَ لُقْمَانُ لِابْنِهِ وَهُوَ يَعِظُهُ يَا بُنَيَّ لَا تُشْرِكْ بِاللَّهِ إِنَّ الشِّرْكَ لَظُلْمٌ عَظِيمٌ وَوَصَّيْنَا الْإِنسَانَ بِوَالِدَيْهِ حملته أمه وهنا على وهن وفصاله في عامين أن اشكر لي ولوالديك إلي المصير وإن جاهداك على أن تشرك بي ما ليس لك به علم فلا تطعهما وصاحبهما في الدنيا معروفا واتبع سبيل من أناب إلي ثم إلي مرجعكم فأنبئكم بما كنتم تعملون.
And remember when Luqman said to his son, advising him, O my son, do not join in worship others with Allah. Indeed, joining others in worship with Allah is a great wrong. And we have enjoined on man to be dutiful and good to his parents. His mother bore him in weakness and hardship, and his weaning was for 2 years. Give thanks to me and to your parents. To me is the final destination. But if they both strive to make you join others in worship with me, of which you have no knowledge, then do not obey them, but behave with them in the world in a kindly way, and follow the path of him who turns to me in repentance and in obedience. Then to me will be your return, and I shall tell you what you used to do.
يا بني إنها إن تك مثقال حبة من خردل فتكن في صخرة أو في السماوات أو في الأرض يأت بها الله إن الله لطيف خبير.
O my son, even if anything be equal to the weight of a grain of mustard seed, and though it be in a rock, anywhere in the heavens or in the earth, Allah can bring it forth. Indeed, Allah is subtle in bringing out that grain, well aware of its place.
يا بني أقم الصلاة وأمر بالمعروف وانه عن المنكر واصبر على ما أصابك إن ذلك من عزم الأمور ولا تصعر خدك للناس ولا تمش في الأرض مرحا إن الله لا يحب كل مختال فخور واقصد في مشيك واغضض من صوتك إن أنكر الأصوات لصوت الحمير.
O my son, perform prayer. Enjoin on people belief in the oneness of Allah and all that is good, and forbid people from disbelief in the oneness of Allah, polytheism of all kinds, and all that is evil and bad, and bear with patience whatever may befall you. Indeed, these are some of the important commandments ordered by Allah, with no exception. And do not turn your face away from men with pride, nor walk in insolence through the earth. Indeed, Allah does not like the arrogant boaster. And be moderate, and show no insolence in your walking, and lower your voice. Indeed, the harshest of all voices is the braying of the donkey.
ألم تروا أن الله سخر لكم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وأسبغ عليكم نعمه ظاهرة وباطنة ومن الناس من يجادل في الله بغير علم ولا هدى ولا كتاب منير.
Do you not see that Allah has subjected for you whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth, and has completed and perfected His graces upon you, both apparent and hidden? Yet among mankind is he who disputes about Allah, without knowledge or guidance, or without a book giving light.
وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمُ اتَّبِعُوا مَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ قَالُوا بَلْ نَتَّبِعُ مَا وَجَدْنَا عَلَيْهِ آبَاءَنَا أَوَلَوْ كَانَ الشَّيْطَانُ يَدْعُوهُمْ إِلَى عَذَابِ السَّعِيرِ.
And when it is said to them, follow that which Allah has sent down, they say, no, we shall follow that which we found our fathers following. Would they do so even if Satan invites them to the torment of the fire?
ومن يسلم وجهه إلى الله وجهه إلى الله وهو محسن فقد استمسك بالعروة الوثقى وإلى الله عاقبة الأمور ومن كفر فلا يحزنك كفره إلينا مرجعهم فننبئهم بما عملوا إن الله عليم بذات الصدور.
And whoever submits his face to Allah, while he is a good doer and performs good deeds only for Allah's sake, then he has grasped the most trustworthy handhold. And to Allah return all matters for decision. And whoever disbelieves, do not let their disbelief grieve you, O Muhammad, for to us is their return, and we shall inform them of what they have done. Indeed, Allah is the all-knower of what is in the hearts of men.
نمتعهم قليلا ثم نضطرهم إلى عذاب غليظ ولئن سألتهم من خلق السماوات والأرض ليقولن الله قل الحمد لله بل أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
We let them enjoy for a little while. Then, in the end, we shall oblige them to enter a great torment. And if you, O Muhammad, ask them, who has created the heavens and the earth, they will certainly say, Allah. Say, all praises and thanks be to Allah. But most of them know not.
لله ما في السماوات والأرض إن الله هو الغني الحميد ولو أن ما في الأرض من شجرة أقلام والبحر يمده من بعده 7 أبحر ما نفدت كلمات الله إن الله عزيز حكيم.
To Allah belongs whatever is in the heavens and the earth. Indeed, Allah, He is rich, free of all wants, worthy of all praise. And if all the trees on the earth were pens, and the sea were ink with which to write, with 7 seas behind it to add to its supply, the words of Allah would not be exhausted. Indeed, Allah is almighty, all-wise.
ما خلقكم ولا بعثكم إلا كنفس واحدة إن الله سميع بصير. ألم تر أن الله يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وسخر الشمس والقمر كل يجري إلى أجل مسمى وأن الله بما تعملون خبير.
The creation of you all and the resurrection of you all are as simple as the creation and resurrection of a single person. Indeed, Allah is all-hearer, all-seer. Do you not see, O Muhammad, that Allah merges the night into the day, and merges the day into the night, and has subjected the sun and the moon, each running its course for a term appointed, and that Allah is all aware of what you do?
ذلك بأن الله هو الحق وأن ما يدعون من دونه الباطل وأن الله هو العلي الكبير. ألم تر أن الفلك تجري في البحر بنعمة الله ليريكم من آياته إن في ذلك لآيات لكل صبار شكور.
That is because Allah is the truth, and that which they invoke besides Him is falsehood, and Allah is the Most High, the Most Great. Do you not see that the ships sail through the sea by Allah's grace, that He may show you of His signs? Indeed, in these are signs for every patient, grateful person.
وإذا غشيهم موج كالظلل دعوا الله مخلصين له الدين فلما نجاهم إلى البر فمنهم مقتصد وما يجحد بآياتنا إلا كل ختار كفور.
And when violent waves surround them, they invoke Allah, making their invocations for Him only. But when He brings them safely to land, there are among them those that stop in the middle, between belief and disbelief. But none denies our signs except every disloyal and ungrateful wretch.
يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم واخشوا يوما لا يجزي والد عن ولده ولا مولود هو جاز عن والده شيئا إن وعد الله حق فلا تغرنكم الحياة الدنيا ولا يغرنكم بالله الغرور.
O mankind, be afraid of your Lord by keeping your duty to Him and avoiding all evil, and fear a day when no father can do anything for his son, nor a son avail his father. Indeed, the promise of Allah is true, so do not let this worldly life deceive you, nor let the chief deceiver Satan deceive you about Allah.
إن الله عنده علم الساعة وينزل الغيث ويعلم ما في الأرحام وما تدري نفس ماذا تكسب غدا وما تدري نفس بأي أرض تموت إن الله عليم خبير.
Indeed, Allah, with Him alone, is the knowledge of the hour. He sends down the rain and knows that which is in the wombs. No person knows what he will earn tomorrow, and no person knows in what land he will die. Indeed, Allah is all-knower, aware of all things.
صدق الله العلي العظيم.